Well, yes, you absolutely heard what Ankit also said. And when he interacted with a few commuters who also I had spoken to in the morning, most of them were gig workers and delivery boys. To speak about them, they were equally upset at the fact that the prices are being raised and it is really affecting their pockets and their monthly budgets as well. But what they want their bosses to understand is the fact that the government and the oil marketing companies are responsible for raising the rates. But however, if that does not get passed on to them, then it also cuts into their earnings. Whatever they're making, if they're going to start pouring it out on petrol, which is also a necessity item, then where is the real savings or the earnings coming from? Also, another important thing to note out here is that while the PM Modi has appealed to the people of this nation to start using public transport and use relatively lesser fuel in terms of petrol and diesel, it is not the ultimate end, because those who travel to far off distances, they say that the metro and the buses or the electric rickshaws or the battery rickshaws do not offer end-to-end connectivity, especially for those who come back late at night. After finishing their work, they find it extremely difficult to find public transportation to reach back to their homes, which is why they say that we are forced and rather compelled to take our personal vehicles as well as fill petrol and diesel at such high prices. There is a sense of helplessness and also frustration, but there is hardly anything that these people can do. However, as you can see, and statistics speak for themselves, in a span of less than 5 days, the prices have been raised twice. Earlier 3 rupees and now almost 1 rupee. In fact, in Kolkata, Chennai and India's financial capital Mumbai, it has the petrol prices have scored a century, going over the 100 rupees mark per litre. However, here in Delhi, it still continues to remain at 99 rupees a litre, and for diesel it's currently 92 per litre. So you can really imagine the plight of the people who are forced to buy at such expensive rates, but expressing a sense of helplessness, they say, and ask the common pertinent question, what can we do? As these people continue to wait in anticipation that the global energy crisis will be eased and the government will pass it down to them someday, reducing the prices of petrol and diesel, they continue to live in that anticipation. But yeah, this is the situation for now.